Hello everyone, this is number 12 in my series of flying birds and therefore it's the last one. I'm a bit sad to finish them actually. This one is a parliament of flying owls. I've made it the barn owl because I wanted to show them flying at night, but rather than make it entirely black, I've peppered with purples and greens. I made some special millefiori for the wings, as you can see here. And unlike the other mosaics, this one forms quite a geometric pattern. I think because of the nature of the wings, the negative space is this diamond, quite regular diamond shape. If you look at the others in the series, the negative shapes that they make are quite random, and I've enjoyed exploring that. So this whole composition is really a lattice and much more formal really. I don't mind that, it's fine, it makes it different, and I wanted each one to be the same but different. As usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. A parliament of flying owls. A parliament of owls are very wise. If you don't believe me, then look in their eyes. They learn and learn with all their might, which no doubt explains why they stay up all night.